Alright, so this bag is pretty good. I have my wallet in here. I'm still figuring out where everything can go. I've got all my stuff in here. Binder, planner, notebook, a binder, I have this here in the corner, which fits perfectly. Then if I had a tablet, the tablet could go in there. My computer can go in here. Right now it's just papers. And then still so much space. Let me turn this baby around. I have an area for pens, my glasses, female things, of course. Little netting area. This is actually bigger than I expected. I love it. It comes with a USB cord. It attaches there. There's like a plug right there. Still trying to figure that out. It's very sturdy. Has so many spacious. It's very spacious. Look at that. So many pockets. It has this little snap here. And you put a laptop or an iPad or whatever. Gray KROSER top tote bag. Stand it up. Charger port. Very cheap handles. I got it, but it's totally not what I expected.